Our top news this week. Sennheiser will be showing off their new memory mic for mobile content creators at the upcoming IBC 2018 trade show in Amsterdam. The memory mic is a wireless self-recording omnidirectional microphone which uses a free app to connect to either an iOS or Android mobile device. It features a robust and lightweight design, and it allows you to record up to 4 hours of high quality audio that is automatically synced with the video from your smartphone, saving you precious time in the edit. Panasonic have released a free looks library for the vlog footage shot with their Varicam and EVA1 cameras. The Varicam LUT library includes 35 3D lookup tables, providing options in display conversion LUTs as well as artistic looks. These 3D LUTs can be applied to monitor outputs, the camera's viewfinder, recorded proxy files, or even the camera's master recording. Alistair Chapman recently published some fantastic HDR footage that he shot on the Sony Venice as part of the Extreme Earth series for Philips, shot with the Sigma Cine Primes. The film was shot in 60 frames per second and mastered for HDR to show off the capabilities of the new Philips Ambilight TVs. You can also download the latest version 3 of Alistair's Venice Look LUTs for the FS5, FS7 and F55 cameras via the link below. As a reminder, Alistair will be in our Teddington studio for a Sony Venice and Sigma workshop next Wednesday, 15th of August, and this will be a great opportunity for you to come along and get your hands on the kit and see Alistair's amazing HDR footage and ask him any questions about his experience with the Sony Venice and Sigma Primes. You can register for the free event via the link below. That's it for this week. We'll be back next week with more news in 90 seconds.